it's us.
So fake. Yeah, that's so fake, Shen. So I'm gonna do my makeup.
So everybody, we're gonna watch Chelsea do her makeup because I'm not gonna get ready.
I feel really awkward. I'm the only one doing it.
Okay, I'll brush my fingers.
With what?
Brush.
That's weird.
So yeah, we're gonna be answering some friend tag questions.
We're gonna answer some best friend tag questions. Right? Okay, ask your question first.
I forgot it's in my phone.
Yes, stupid.
First question.
What? Do you remember what you wrote?
I know. Okay, what is my favorite tea I drink?
Cookies and cream?
No.
The pearl milk tea?
Huh?
Pearl milk tea.
No.
Pearl milk
I
tea.
hate pearl milk tea.
I don't know.
I mean, I don't hate
what
it,
do you
but
like? Passion fruit QQ.
yes.
Oh yeah.
Without the pearl kind of done.
Then what's the point of ordering it?
The passion fruit.
Okay, that's that.
Oh no, I can't swear. I'm sorry.
Oh, whoa, may God bless you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What is my 3 biggest fear? I think you know this.
I do
Yeah.
failing.
Huh?
Failing?
Yeah.
Oh really? I
Oh my god, yes.
Oh.
I'm so scared of failing.
I like.
Failing my life, failing
Yeah,
my
I know,
grades,
like-
especially my accounting maths. So, yeah.
But Matt's got A. So okay lah, this is one covered already. Right?
Oh.
Okay, I'll ask you something else.
No, what else?
Okay, I'll ask you one. Okay.
I have 3 fears.
Height?
No. No, you
I
know.
do,
You know it. I told you a lot of times already.
Holes?
Yeah? One?
Ginger?
No. I'm okay with ginger. I don't love it, but...
Mushrooms?
No.
Prawns?
It's an insect.
Insect? Fly.
No.
Worms?
Butterfly.
Oh yeah, butterfly! Oh yeah!
I'm terrified of butterflies. I cannot do butterflies. It's so scary. No, like the normal ones like without a print is okay. But the ones with
You mean moth?
No, like
Oh, yeah,
butterfly.
okay.
Okay, your turn.
Guys, this is a peach palette Chelsea got from her birthday.
Oh.
Smells very good.
Oh, I have the questions in my iPad. Like for mine lah. Do we eye makeup on Sunday?
Yeah, I don't care.
Then use my peach palette. But what's my number 1 pet peeve?
Oh, boys with like bad BO.
Yeah.
That's your number 1.
Yeah, number 1. I don't think it's number 1, but it's like can count. I don't even know what's my number 1 pet peeve actually. Maybe
What about like
like
people not contributing to work? That's my biggest one.
same. Yeah, it's true. And also people chew loud.
I don't want to name names.
Like if you overreact.
I don't want to name names.
How long does it take for me to get ready for school in the morning?
Okay, you wake up at 7,
Yeah.
and then you'll be school around 7:50. So probably 50 minutes.
So
no. Okay, 30 minutes.
I got like 10 minutes.
I get ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, Shen, you want a medal? Can get ready to go out with my friends.
Oh my god, very long.
Yeah, like how long?
Super long. Like an hour.
Yeah, sure. Probably an hour, yeah.
Okay, my turn. My favorite food. You already know that.
Thai cuisine.
No, that's a cuisine.
Oh yeah, the char siu fan.
No, not just char siu, like 炒饭 in general.
Oh, Tao fan.
It's
Okay.
fried rice. I'm so China. Jesus.
We are China. What would I do if I won a lottery of 50 million?
You will. Okay? You buy another like 10 lottery tickets for another 1 million.
That's probably true.
Okay? Or you definitely won't donate to like for orphanage.
I might.
You will donate to like animal shelter.
That's true.
You will donate to animal shelter. You won't donate to like orphanage
Yeah,
like old folks home.
Also, maybe I will. I like old
You
people.
wanted to send your grandma to the old folks home.
No, that was not. That was for essay. Okay.
That was a Mandarin essay.
I like my grandmother here. Okay, please.
I've been staring at this palette for like the longest time.
Please stare at it.
Yeah. Some transition shade.
My eyebrow. Where do I want to live when I grow older?
Italy.
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 I'm not sure actually, but I want to. I don't know.
You can speak Italian.
Italian?
Italian.
Italian?
Actually, I don't know I want to live here. Have I ever gotten surgery?
Yes, you're. No.
No, I haven't gotten surgery.
But you have knee problem though.
How long was I in the cast?
Month?
More than that.
3 months.
6 months.
No, you weren't.
How do you know I was 7?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect upon the street.
Oh my god, 6 months?
Yeah.
It's like half a year.
Yeah, and after that I had to wear again for another 4 months.
Why?
What's my again?
You're just bad at taking care of yourself.
Yeah, I agree. When I was younger, what do I want to be when I grow up?
A teacher?
No.
What do you call it? No. A pet doctor. A vet.
No, actually no. I want to be a ballerina.
What?
Oh my gosh.
It's in my drawer.
You think it's
Ah, bro.
What, I just said it 5 times.
Oh my god, it's a mirror. I'm looking at myself.
Sometimes I wonder, Jen.
Then another.
Eyebrows look at that. Wow. 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 Amazing.
Come on. Oh my god, I got a new mirror.
Yeah, see, I want to do my makeup because I got a new mirror. This is fun. Okay, any questions to ask me? We're not as funny as you thought we are.
Yeah. Like normally you're quite funny, not just saying.
But not now.
Not now. Okay, when did we first meet? Tell me the exact date.
Oh, January something.
A best friend tag is like a boyfriend tag.
Yeah. No shit. No, you have to remember.
I don't remember the day.
Okay, what day is it?
Monday?
No?
Tuesday?
No.
Wednesday?
It was on Friday.
On Friday?
Yeah.
No.
Friday, then we have a weekend, and then
Monday. Oh,
Monday.
yeah. Oh my god, like, I remember I thought you were like super dumb.
yeah, now I'm the smartest one.
Then I was like, oh my god, this girl is freaking like noob.
Okay, I was a very noob time. I had my hair
What? Like noob.
clipped, like peanuts. Like
I thought she was like a loser.
yeah. You don't remember the date?
I don't remember the day. Like
When? Yeah, when was it?
Can't
Like
remember.
what occasion was it?
it was orientation
In?
for school.
Yeah, that's right. It was January 4th.
I don't remember. Specific, you remember? Oh my gosh.
Guys, the freaking orientation day. It's coronation day. The window is so door.
You know highlighter?
No, I
Why not?
can't. I like it.
Oh my gosh, she's my highlighter. Oh my god, I found the base.
My whole face, oily enough, shiny enough.
My face has no shine. Oh my god, I poked my eye.
The window is so door.
Okay, so what's the first impression of me, Shen?
Okay, I thought Chelsea was very try hard because the first day I saw her, she wore like some Converse shoes and pants with stars. and your UK flag shirt.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, wanna try hard.
I am trendy. You were not.
Yeah,
Her hair was like this.
super nerd.
Then she's
super
like, oh, my
nerdy one.
name's Shen.
Yeah, you pull out your chair. I was there first.
I was just being very nice.
No, I was there first.
Yeah, you there first.
And then you pull out your chair, you were like, hi.
Not that bad lah.
Okay, not like this,
You
but
exaggerated my like.
really should. And it brought me in one direction. I
Yeah,
can't
but
regret,
I
but
brought
I don't.
I brought her to who she is today. No, you still start as noob.
I was never a noob kid. I was a nerdy cool one. You understand?
You were like hi and Shen. Then you were like damn quiet.
Yeah, I was so quiet. Like the first 3 months, I was so quiet.
Yeah, oh my god, she's so quiet.
And we literally got we are literally best friends because we hate the same person. Not hate, but like
Didn't
we
like.
talk shit about them.
They were like, oh my god. Okay, then here we are today.
Boy,
I'm doing this thing. I just took my phone. You should follow me on Instagram. Should I put the big one?
Oh my god, what's that?
Pink cream shadow. It's very cute.
From where?
I'm using it for my photo shoot. Like the one. If you follow me, you'll see my photo shoot.
Yeah,
It was pretty lit.
I disabled my IG
Is it really
account.
cool to disable? No.
I have real IG to focus on, you know.
Cherry IG to focus on.
Yeah. Literally. Oh my god, it's on.
Yeah, but I need to unlock the over for now. Yay.
Filming this on the
Wait,
2nd of February, Friday, the day we finish our mock.
Wow, this color is sucky.
Wow, this is so boring. I almost want to sleep. Your best friend tag me come on.
I can tell you got very tan on your forehead.
I know. Everybody says that today. Everyone's like, wow, you're so brown.
Because you're Caitlyn. Tan.
Jay,
Oh my god, it's not tan also.
are you coming back later?
Yeah.
Oh, then your mom will pick up.
Why? You don't want to see my face, is it?
Well,
What are you doing? Stop.
Oh my god, it's so sparkly,
Wait,
man.
I want to get the mute.
Why?
Got a dry, patchy forehead.
Okay.
Oh my god, I look so bad.
I think we're very late.
Oh, we felt like 20 minutes of footage.
You know what this looks like?
What?
The tag you put on your book.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh my god. Can you hide them?
I really want a Glossier thing, but it's
Same.
so expensive.
I know, I'm shipping on Thailand first. Do you watch it in Malaysia?
You don't?
You don't. What's that?
It's very cute.
But it comes out quite easily. Oh, I love my pink eyeshadow. It's cute.
Yeah, very nice.
I want to put some lip balm first.
I'm gonna do my makeup.
Yeah.
Cause Chelsea's a pro.
Yeah.
Very damn pro.
Oh, I forgot to put mascara.
What the?
Yeah.
Ooh, my lips are so good. Kiss me.
I swear we are not like this. Here we are.
I think you are.
Dude, we are watching The Greatest Showman. Sing along.
Yeah.
Calm down, you should.
Every night I lie in bed.
Oh my god. Sorry.
The brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams to keep me awake.
It's not good.
So this is our finished look.
Yeah, look, I still look ugly, but like,
Yeah,
thanks for Chelsea's makeup.
we can try. Effort. Bye.
Do the hand thing.
Okay, come back.